Designs, the place for transforming your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into the epitome of backyard luxury. Deck design with a hot tub. Imagine stepping out of your back door and into a private, bubbling retreat. A deck design with a hot tub is more than just a place to soak. It's a fully integrated, multifunctional outdoor living space where relaxation meets entertainment and style. It is a cohesive structure where the deck provides the foundation, seating areas, and flow, while the hot tub acts as the luxurious, therapeutic centerpiece, often partially or fully recessed into the decking for a sleek, custom-built look. The entire design works together to blur the lines between your indoor comfort and the natural beauty of your backyard. The benefits of incorporating a hot tub into your deck design are truly transformative for your lifestyle and your home's value. Firstly, it offers unparalleled well-being and stress relief. Having a hot tub steps away from your house means you can enjoy hydrotherapy sessions daily, easing muscle tension, improving sleep, and promoting mental relaxation. Secondly, it is a phenomenal social and entertainment hub. Forget expensive spa visits. Your backyard becomes the go-to spot for intimate gatherings, parties, or cozy family nights under the stars. By designing it into the deck, you also achieve a cleaner, more aesthetically integrated look compared to a standalone unit, which significantly boosts your home's curb appeal and resale value. It transforms a simple deck into a high-end, resort-like experience, vastly increasing your functional living space. To truly elevate your hot tub deck from functional to fabulous, it's all about thoughtful decoration and layering. Start by defining separate zones using your furniture and accessories. Create a lounging zone with comfortable outdoor sofas and chairs, and a dining zone near the grill. For a spa-like feel, incorporate natural materials like woven wicker or teak furniture and use large, strategically placed planters with lush, low-maintenance foliage like ferns or ornamental grasses. Lighting is crucial for both aesthetics and safety. Install recessed LED deck lights on stairs and pathways, and use hanging string lights or stylish wall sconces to create a warm, inviting ambience in the evenings. Finally, layer with colorful, weather-resistant textiles. Think vibrant cushions, cozy throws, and a stylish outdoor rug to introduce texture and personality that reflects your indoor style. To maximize the enjoyment and functionality of your hot tub deck, several key items are essential. Top of the list is high-quality, all-weather outdoor furniture that can withstand the elements, perhaps with deep seating for maximum comfort. A large cantilever umbrella or a pergola is non-negotiable for providing shade during the day and protection from light rain, extending the usability of the space. For privacy, consider stylish screens or trellises that can be incorporated into the railing design, perhaps growing climbing plants for a natural shield. Safety is paramount, so ensure you have a secure, insulated hot tub cover and non-slip mats or runners near the tub. Finally, adding a built-in or standalone fire feature like a fire pit table creates an incredible focal point for chilly evenings, providing warmth and a captivating gathering spot right next to your spa. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here is the compilation of the top 10 best deck design with hot tub ideas to inspire you for your next project. One Panoramic View Deckscape. The ultimate spot for enjoying a view. This deck uses a sleek, modern white railing with wire infill to maximize the sightlines of the lush, forested mountainside. The hot tub is subtly recessed, and the space is decorated simply with large, textured planters and a modern rattan side table, keeping the focus entirely on the incredible outdoor vista. 2. Urban Industrial Spa Kitchen. This contemporary urban courtyard design is a masterpiece of modern outdoor living. It features a built-in outdoor kitchen with a grill and counter space, a sleek, elongated gas fire feature integrated into a horizontal wood wall, and a raised hot tub nook. The clean lines, mixed materials like wood, concrete, and turf pavers, and minimalist aesthetic are striking. 3. Shaded spa next to the pool. This design integrates the hot tub perfectly into a poolside deck area. The white structural posts add a touch of pergola style and privacy, framing the spa elegantly. The two-tone decking, a blend of light and dark boards, adds visual interest and defines the space, offering a relaxing alternative to the main swimming pool. For dramatic nighttime hot tub corner. This image demonstrates the power of lighting in deck design. The low-level step lighting and colorful LED lights around the hot tub create a dramatic resort-like atmosphere perfect for evening use. The custom L-shaped bench and modern color-blocked design, dark wood and white trim, create a defined, cozy, and private corner retreat. 5. Family-friendly backyard entertaining. This robust ground-level deck connects seamlessly to the house via sliding doors and provides ample space for a large family. The hot tub is partially recessed into the decking and beautifully framed by a brick paver patio and a low floral garden bed. An orange cantilever umbrella adds a bold splash of color and much-needed shade to the large lounge area. 6. Modern swim spa and lounge area. This is a luxurious setup featuring a long rectangular swim spa, ideal for both exercise and relaxation. The surrounding deck is expansive, offering a large covered lounge area with a modern sectional sofa and a sleek fire pit coffee table, all set against a classic wood privacy fence. The umbrella provides shade for both the water and the seating. 7. Rustic minimalist soak deck. Perfect for a quiet, nature-focused backyard, this design showcases a clean, minimalist approach. The hot tub sits flush with the custom-built, L-shaped bench and integrated planter box, all crafted from beautiful, rich-toned composite decking. The design is simple yet sophisticated, making the hot tub the undeniable focal point surrounded by the calm of nature. 8. Multi-tiered luxury retreat. This spectacular, multi-level deck is built into a wooded, private hillside, creating a seamless connection with nature. The sunken hot tub is perfectly integrated into the middle tier, surrounded by built-in seating and a glass railing, offering stunning elevated views of the autumnal forest. The design cleverly separates a grilling station, a dining area, and a fire pit lounge into distinct, luxurious zones. 9. Elegant multi-zone entertainment deck. An expansive, multi-tiered deck with a curved edge that wraps around the backyard. The hot tub is strategically placed on the lower, more private level, separate from the main dining and lounging area, which is shaded by a large umbrella. The black railing and dark decking create a sophisticated contrast with the light-colored house exterior. 10. Modern cozy corner spa. A wonderful example of maximizing a smaller space. This deck features a privacy screen and built-in bench seating that frames the hot tub beautifully. The warm-toned decking complements the crisp white post accents, providing a clean, contemporary aesthetic. A plush wicker chair and side table create a perfect, intimate spot for post-soak relaxation. Designing a deck with a hot tub is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake. It's an investment in your well-being, your social life, and your home's aesthetic appeal. By focusing on smart integration, thoughtful lighting, comfortable furniture, and those essential accessories we discussed, you can turn a simple patch of backyard into a stunning year-round personal retreat. Remember, your outdoor living area should be an extension of your indoor style. So get creative and start dreaming up your perfect oasis. If you found inspiration in these incredible designs, please give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below which of the 10 ideas was your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs and hit that notification bell so you never miss our tips on creating a beautiful home, inside and out. Now go design your dream deck.